Yes, welcome back children. We have completed refractive index and relative refractive index and their relations. Now in this class we are going to find out speed of light in a particular medium, how to calculate. Okay. For that the sum is C. The refractive index of glass is 3/2. Find the speed of light in that glass. So by knowing the refractive index value, you can find out the speed of light in that medium. How? See, first write the given value. What is that refractive index of glass? Is given by 3/2, and we know refractive index has no units. And we know that the speed of light in vacuum is or air is 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Now, what is the formula? What the relation we have for refractive index and speed? N equal to C by V. N equal to C by V. I have N value and C value. Now I need to find out the value of V. That means speed of light in glass. For that, for simplification, just write the formula in terms of V. So you can get it easily. That implies V equal to C by N. C by N. So substitute C value. What is C value? 3 into 10 power 8 by, what is N value? 3/2. 3/2. And what happens here? In denominator we have a rational number. So when it comes to numerator, it will get reversed. So that implies 3 into 10 power 8 by 2 into 2 by 3. To 2 by 3. So here 3 gets cancelled. Now how much we got? 2 into 10 power 8 meters per second. That means the light travels with 2 into 10 power 8 meters per second in a glass. So in this way, by knowing any value, any medium's refractive index value, you can find out the speed of light in that medium. It's clear? Now, just based on the table, we can say that in which medium the speed of light is more or less, just based on the table. Did you observe the relation N equal to C by V here? N equal to C by V. Now what is the relation between refractive index and V? Simply inversely proportional. It is inversely proportional. That means if the refractive index value increases, speed of light decreases. That means the optical density of a medium increases, then speed of light becomes decreases, reduces. If the refractive index value decreases, speed of light increases. Now based on the table, see, just tell me what is the speed of light, in which medium the speed of light is more? Simply air. Why? The refractive index value is least among all the mediums. Okay, what is the speed, and which medium speed of light is more? Air medium, because 1.0003. In which medium speed of light is very less, which has having more refractive index value? Diamond. So in diamond, refractive index is 2.42. That means the light speed of light is very low. So simply based on this relation, you can say speed of light, how much fast or how much slow the light is traveling in a medium. It's clear? So in exams they will give a table and I will ask some questions. What are those questions? See, first one, they will give just a table and first question, in which medium the speed of light is maximum? Based on the table, what you are going to say? Just see the least refractive index value. What is that? Air. So answer is, in air medium the refractive index is 1.0003. The speed of light is maximum. And the converse question, what is the speed of light in diamond? You can find out. N equal to C by V. From that V equal to C by N you can find out. It's clear? Now we are going to see comparing except vacuum. Take two mediums. Suppose ice and benzene. Ice and benzene. What is the refractive index value of ice? 1.31. What is the refractive index value of benzene? 1.50. Now compare these two, ice and benzene. Only ice and benzene. Okay. In those two mediums, in which medium the medium should be taken as denser? Which medium should be taken as rarer medium? How can you say? Simple, they based on the speed of light and the refractive index. Okay, in which medium speed of, which is taken as denser, which is taken as rarer. In which medium speed of light is decreases, that should be taken as denser medium. And in which medium speed of light decreases? If the refractive index value is more, what happens? The speed of light decreases. So benzene having refractive index 1.50, compared to it is more value compared to ice. So in benzene the speed of light is decreases. That's why it is taken as a denser medium compared to ice. So in that way we can compare based on the table about refractive index values. So just learn all those values. Okay, they are very useful for your examination. Okay, in next class you will go through another concept.